Sinubay. Sinubay. Check it up.
Ay, tama. Eh, hindi na naman ako sa namin ni Pat.
Ako
Tarapin ko yun.
di ko Sir Derek Johns, good morning. Good morning pa, Sir Derek. Hi. Sir Thomas, hi again from Denmark. Sir Thomas from Denmark. Di ko maipaliwanag, di ko maipaliwanag ang lahat. Thank you, good morning. Good morning, Philippines. Di ko maipaliwanag. Hi, Rick, good morning. Just a stop for a thumbs up. Don't won't cause you problem. We can talk, huh? Thank you, Rick. I'm the real Runwick. Hi, the real Runwick. Thank you for joining. Ko maipaliwanag, di ko maipaliwanag ang lahat. I'm always happy when you live streaming. Really, thank you. Thank you, I make you happy. Thank you pa. Emilia, siguro ka nagkawat ako gaya.
Emilia talaga.
Emilia.
Ay, ang bubong dito hababa. Nakuran, di ka masyado mahuli. Sa dangkalan, ang bubong, pag
Walang
umaga.
kawin.
Ang dapat si Nini.
Sabihan mo.
Oo. Sige pa ka. Tapos ko sa misa, mahabol sira.
Sumasin ka ako. Ay, di na naman maalala.
Okay ba? Mahalan dito. Sa Pure Gold ba?
Ano?
Pure Gold.
Ano sa Pure Gold para? Ano makalimit? Makalimit. Sa may ako sa babae.
Oo. Sa mga lalaki din lang. Tama na yung kanila. Ano para? Para yung Alfonso. Alfonso, Jen lang. Masangay ka? Papahimot na lang.
Shanghai. Dili, nagpaka na si Grace.
Ano yan, Shanghai yun? Para darayon na lang. Tapos dapat may hatulog ka para sa mga bait.
Nagpaluto ako sa ito palabukan pa na.
Dapat ano ka talaga? Sino ba yan? Ay, Andi. Sabi ako si Andi.
Pero yun naman. Latok na.
Totoo. Atabon si Jerry na lang kasi bagol man.
Baka bahalong ko na ng kanandi.
Oo, sabihan ko. Bakalan ko. Ang sabi ko pa.
Nagpalok yung pangyayon si mama yung sinputo.
Mga ako nga dyan rin. Kutsinta?
Nagkutsinta.
Ay, kasi. Tapos ano, hotdog para sa mga bata mo.
Ayun nga, mabakalatog ka. Tapos may ano, marshmallow.
Kasi wala na.
Sige, ano pa. Ayun.
Ihawon lang dito ba?
Gawin lang. Ayun. Hi, Sir Robert Mantracal. Mantra Khalil. Sir Robert Lawrence, hi po. Hindi ko maipalitan. Oh my God. Hi Mario Colegas. Hi Sir Mario.
Ah, Dayla. How are you, Dayla?
Sir, thank you po. 17 million.
Utangan mo lang niya sa akin. Ayaw na good, sa'yo mo lang good yan. May kwarta pa sa ako.
Thank you po. Dance, yes. I love dance. Nestar. Di ko maipaliwanag. Di ko maipaliwanag ang lahat. Di ko Twenty-one. Sir Chester, good morning. Gafu Sagara. Good morning po, Sir Chester Hexon. UTTP, hello. Di ko maipaliwanag, di ko maipaliwanag ang lahat. Thank you po. Oh my God. Sir Jamie. Hey, Sir Jamie, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining here. Marcelo Rivera. Hi. Angelo Benetes. I'm from Philippines. Holy Mamin. Vivaldino. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Thank you po. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Hi, Kevin McConnell. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Jamie. I didn't understand. That's why I don't. Thank you so much. Someone comments here. Thank you so much. God bless. Amor. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Coffee. Today. Take my heart. Take my heart. Di ko maipaliwanag. Di ko maipaliwanag ang lahat. I will take it back black. I will take it black. Black or bag? What? Where are you from? I'm from Philippines, the land of Filipinas. Media amor. Media amor. Di ko maipaliwanag. Ay, pinapay na natin ba? Pinapay ko na. Nigay ko ng lahat. Puso't kaluluwa. Proto. Land to the good people. Yes. My mom, my niece. My niece. Ubon, Ubon. Hi, Ubon, Ubon. Ubon, Ubon. Di ko maipaliwanag. Di ko maipaliwanag. Hi, Sir Don. Good morning, Sir Don. Coffee po, Sir Don. Coffee. Hey, Jimmy from Sir Don. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love will come back someday. Juice up. Juice up. Only I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I just keep feel my heart itching. I was afraid this time would come. Mama boss is cooking. She's cooking. My boss. Oh my god. Coffee is life. Yes po, coffee is life.
Paano na nagdag ng kapulitan?
Mo. My God. Hey, Elton. Hi, Elton. Amen.
Mahal naman gusto.
Oh my God. Elton. May gulay. Wait. Oh my God. Okay. I love Mama's hat. She loved her hat too. How are you doing this morning? Little bit of clean home first, coffee. Then now I'm coffee. In coffee. Yes. Elton, thank you, Elton. I don't understand Luis Geraldo. From Brazil, Elton. Nakatingin ang buong daigdig, yakap-yakap mo. Arthur, I'm from Philippines. I love Filipinas. Thank you. Thank you po. I think supposed to Castillo. Hi. Hula. Hula. Posto. Watch out, guys. She's only eating. Sir Jimmy. My God. My. How I wish I'm 18. May gulay. Hi, Hector. Oh my God. 18 years old. I used to work on cruise ships and I love Filipinas. That's great pa. Sir Didi Miranda. Joa, what it means? Norman Tantan. Ronaldo. Hi, Ronaldo. Ronaldo. You look it. Nice joke, Sir Jamie. I love your jokes. My God, I feel young. I feel young, Sir Jamie po. Jackson dos Santos Jesus. Hi. Parang nakatingin ang buong daigdig pag ako'y yakap-yakap mo. Mantra Khalil. No, not yet. Just coffee. Where's my coffee? Basta, Boracay, no. Bicol. Alam kong kasing di ka basta, parang nakatingin ang buong daigdig pag ako'y kapiyakap mo. Ronald. Hello, Cheryl. Where are you from? The Bicol province, Sir Perry Hamilton. I'm from Bicol province, Philippines. Drink the coffee before you have a tampo morning.
Okay, my time.
Yes pa. Oh, may kulay. Hi,
Nagano?
hi na to. Gabang checklist sa to na ano, yung sa Boy Scout mo.
Chicles?
Ang bakalon.
Ay, sabag.
Thank you. Thank you, Perry.
Kat, wara.
Cause tell me where the woods die. Thank you. Take the chance out to feel. Burning my emotion. Oh my God!
Mawag yan ito madarating.
Di na daw madara.
Oh. Sa Lunis na.
Sa Lunis na?
Oh.
Sa Lunis?
Ambot.
Saan ba?
Yield may maani.
Ala, registration na may ano. Ay, February ano. January 30. Cancel. Cancel. Bank registration.
Ay, February pa pala. Hi guys.
Ay. How is your son? My son is good.
Pogi.
Pogi daw. He said he's pogi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Dali lang. Once you have had a Pinay, you will never want anything else. Why? Hey, little man, take care of your mama. Hi, son. Gab, Sir Jamie said you take care of me. What you said? Huh? Hi.
Ay, yeah.
What you said?
Yes.
Sir Jamie said, he said yes. He take care of me. Hello, good morning, Donnie. Thank you guys, because they are the best. Yes, some are the best, but some are not the best. but some are not best. That's good. He's a good son, yes. Yes, he's a smart son. Sonny. You have kids, Sir Jamie? Do you have a kids? I was here by myself. Wow! Only girl. She is 22 years old. I'm so proud of you, Sir Jamie. You only you raised by yourself. Where his mom? Where her mom? Namahaw pa lang ang person. My God. Proud of you, Sir Jamie. Uh, she walked out all news. Let's see. Me. We have a 9 siblings. I'm the youngest. I'm the youngest daughter. I'm the favorite. She walked out on us. Okay. Oh wow, me too. I walk a lot. I walk a lot every day. For me, my exercise is walking. She dice la modelo hermosa. Modelo hermosa.
Tita, di ako yung taga ni Kuya Gabsan. Di ako.
Oh, bagaman. Natagpiran man niya talaga.
Mabakal ako.
Tagpiran niya ko.
Ano?
She's in college now. Wow! One of my dream finish on college, but life is very difficult when I'm in young. But when I'm working in Manila, I try to study in college. They working in night. I study. I working self-supporting. But sadly, my boyfriend that time I'm pregnant. That's one of my dream that I want to finish the study because this like this the knowledge is power.
Tita, gusto daw natin kasi ako.
uh,
Nadar ulit.
Pera yun na uli. Pera yun na uli. 11 yan Yakult.
Dito ako nagbakal ka na Alicia. Kalati kasi ay.
Oo.
Ate kasi ah!
Hi Mike! Thank you Mike! Good morning Sheryl Mahal ko. Hope you got a good rest last night. Yeah, I rest last night. After coffee, I'm going to the market. Not yet finished coffee because clean first. You would be a great turns. I'm my father because of my parents. We take care of our parents. Here in the Philippines, it's normal to take care of our parents and of a family member if they get sick, if we feel sick. It's normal here. Ala na. Normal here in the Philippines. We take care of families like this. That's why. Giovanni. Parang nagkatingin at the light almost. I am Muhammad from Yemen. I'm from Philippines. Yeah, my mama lives right next to me. Here, that's why I wonder why some other countries, they wonder why we take our parents. Here, it's normal here. We're responsible to take care of our parents because if we remember when we kids, they take care of us since day one, newborn baby, until we can live in our own life without them, living without them. So we need to turn back how they take care of us, and how they gave a good life, even if it's a bad life, but the life is beautiful gift they give us. Life, they give us life, they bring us here in the world. So we're responsible to take care of them. That's right. So, but the others... Hay, nako!
Kalati kasi.
Baralik-balik na, no?
Kulang ko ng 5 kay mabakan man daw siya sa
Oh,
din.
sobra yun. 11 ba gayon?
Sabi natin kasi kulang.
Di ba yan kulang? Kay 11 yun. 11 ba gayon? That's why my father is already passed. My parents, they still living here. They fell sick because when they young, they working so hard. So that's the cause of their illness. They fell sick. That's why. So that's why I need to take care of ourselves. My God, healthy lifestyle, healthy living. Yes. Sorry for your father. So it's really so sad when but sometimes we need to understand and accept what happens because of they need to rest well. We need to it accept if losing someone, then we see they're suffering the pain. That's one of the hardest part in our life. uh, if someone we love, they live forever, live well. I'm glad they have great children like you. Yeah. My siblings, my sisters and my brothers, they also take care of my parents. So yes, I'm really thankful. Even we're not rich, I'm really thankful to our parents because they grow up like being kind person. We made the mistakes, but we always choose to be, we always choose to be good, even if it's really very difficult and it's very hard. And the past days, someone says that bad comment about me and my past. So, yes. But I'm not perfect. I'm just a human. So I don't need to explain whatever happens in my past. So people so easy to judge, but I understand their opinion because they don't really know me. But if they know, maybe when they came here and they talk about my families and my friends, they will know. Social media is like they believe they see, they watch here the but in real life it's not totally like that. Like they are say I'm happy, but sometimes hiding the pain, something like that. It's really difficult. I hope no. But I choose to be happy. I choose to stay positive in life. Sabay ganun. Choose whatever happens. Very humble. Very humble. Sir Jamie. Thank you, 17 million. Still raining here. Bicol. Raining here. Raining. Always raining. Sometimes sunny. Oh my God. Gonna let her go. Someday. 16 people in the house. Sheryl, you're an amazing woman. You have comparison and genuine good heart. You should be very proud of woman you are. Yes. Thank you, Mike. Other people need to look in the mirror and let us live in peace. Yeah. But yes, even if they have also have a past experience in the past, I don't have the right to say but them because I don't know what happened. I don't know what really happened. So sometimes people easy to give the opinions, negative opinions, even they don't know about the whole story of what happens and then because even we are no perfect living here in this world, no perfect. Even you are a lot of money, you never live here in the perfect no life. You're not no, you're ba yan tawag doon, you still you also a sinner. Me, I'm not always good. I'm also a sinner every day because of ano, I'm mad with my ano. How's your morning po? Hi, Sir Don. Kuya Dre. Peekaboo. Kumusta Jollibee? Jollibee, Jollibee. Nasaan ka? Okay lang po, Jollibee. Ay, Kuya Dre. Stays positive. Okay lang po, Sir Don. Yes? Ah, may chat? Binla? Ah. You are rich with family and always better than money. Yes, I have a family. Yes, lack of money, but my family is one of my treasure in life. That's why I'm pursuing even if it's the difficult in life. Um, the, ano, they are the reason why survive every day. Birthday soon, yes. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Kuya Dre, thank you so much. My wish. Oh my God. What time is it now? Oh my God, 10:01. To be eaten. Sir Jamie. 18. What's the wish? The wish. Ano? Oh my God. A lot of wish, but hope ano. Whatever happens, whatever ano, and ano, it's fine. My wish, I'm ano. Ah, my God. Baka mausog. Ayokong sabihin. It's a secret. Secret. But one of the wish is ano. One of my wish, I want to travel out here in Bicol. That's why I want to having a scooter. I save for a scooter. So I save. Hello, sis. G-Jack lang. Hello po.
Kita, may
Ay.
kutro ka.
Kai, kulang? Kulang? Hmm. Balik man ulit na lang. Maybe my love will come back some days. Everyone need to be healthy. Healthy. My father, more years. My father, my parents. Motor, oh my gulay Jollibee, you can drive motor. Yes. Ay gala. No traffic here in Bicol. No traffic. Mm. Because I walk a lot, my God. Every day I walk a lot. What if ano? I seen that face, you can't drive motor. Oh. Why naman? Kuya, why? Why? Mud wrestling. Yep. I'm always mud wrestling. You will see. We will go to the mountain. Look at the mountain, very high. That's why I miss going to the mountain because when I'm a kid, oh my God, every day we're going to the mountain. My God, very high mountain. But it's happy. It's fun hiking. We're going to the mountain and we harvest vegetable, then we sell it and divide foods like rice, fish, meat, milk. I miss it. Who's going to teach you? My brother. When I move there, I will buy a nice motorbike. Thank you. Thank you, Mike. In the rice field. In the rice field. In the rice. Stay enthusiastic and healthy always. Thank you, G. Jack. Thank you, 32 people. Hit the likes. Oh my God. Words na. Wait. My God. Ah. My God. Jollibee no need motor alone. Why? You were born to shine in this world. May your life to be filled with happiness. A big hug to you from Brazil. Hi, Carlos from Brazil. Thank you. God, Mike. Motor is dangerous, huh? Oh yeah, really. A lot of but I'm taker. I can manage myself. My God. I need to go to the, to the market na, buy foods. Thank you so much for watching. Bye pa. Love you all. Thank you, Sir Jamie, Kuya Dre, Mike. Thank you so much for joining. Thanks a lot. Belly, thank you. A lot of care. Don, Sir Don, thank you so much, Don. Thank you po. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for joining. I think you might like to go fast. Enjoy shopping. Thank you.